to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made these nice good Fruit Loop donuts. Very easy to make, very delicious, very rewarding. Follow along and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, I want to start off with 4 teaspoons of butter, about 1 cup of sugar. Then I want to mix this. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna add in the egg. Okay, we're going to add in 4 cups of flour. Okay, we're going to add in 1 cup of milk. Okay, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of orange abstract, 2 tablespoons of a lemon abstract, okay, 2 tablespoons of strawberry abstract. That's the ingredients, and I've been squashing these up. There's a, hang on. Now what you want to do is you want to get all your dough ready. Color, you gotta have food coloring, and put them in this piping bag. And I'll show you what I do with the next step. Okay, we're going to start with the green one here. And what you want to do is you want to cut this tip like that. And then under this, you want to that. Boy, those smell just like Fruit Loops. Anyways, they're hot. We'll come back in a few moments because we're going to start on the blues. The blue ones, very nice. I'm going to let these cool off, and then we'll come back and check them out. Look at these Fruit Loop donuts, mini donuts, homemade. They're so easy to make. They taste so much like real Fruit Loop donuts that you get at Hardee's. I'm going to do a taste test on this one. I hate to eat them, so pretty. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, hit that bell. See the episode of my videos, and y'all have a blessing day.